supermarket, and usually on the cheese thing, it says 2 cups, whatever. Anyways, this one said 1 3/4 cup. People, I couldn't figure it out. So
I kind of evil sentence into them. I tell us everything on us see people do.
Got hungry again, and then I took her to McDonald's.
Welcome, burritos. Yeah. How did dance go? Jesus Christ. Sure. We never missed the one. Box cover, this is Dr. Berry, and welcome to the Friday edition of the Social Media Countdown. Now, you know, on Fridays, we keep it light, we keep it cool, we keep it relaxed, but still fun. Because we don't need to club ourselves with 10 topics. We're going to give you 5 and give you a throwback clip as well. And so just sit back, relax, you know, like up the video from now, because you know it's about to go and be fun. All right, so let's get into today's Social Media Countdown. Number 5, maths dyslexia. Okay, my readers know, so big up, or let me just say this, show of hands all the people who love mathematics. Let me see you. All right, David, Lisa, you're not putting up your hand? All right, okay, who this, Deidre? Marcia, okay, and Tony, Andre, put on your hand. Andre, put on your hand, because you know you never do good in the maths. Come on now. All right, we'll see a Simone over there, so. Ashana K. Okay, not bad, but yeah, man. So let me just say this. I love maths, never love maths, and I don't think I will ever love maths. The only maths me love is to find out how much dumpling me I get in my plate when me they run my family yard. That's so me normally count out. Come on, make sure say my dumpling them bigger than my little brother. As the older one, me expect to get a bigger dumpling. That's the only time I really utilize maths. And the other time I utilize maths is I said something a while ago, but burritos, we're not there yet. It's a family show, okay? It's a family show, so any type of bandulo activities we're not going to go and talk about right now, okay? So anyhow, so this social media user by the name of Mama Shell, she recently spoke about a situation where maths definitely got the best of her. Take a look.
Here's something you might not know about me. When it comes to maths, I am so dumb. Like, you know how some people are dyslexic with words, right? Dyslexia is when you can't read. Like me, that's me. I have that with math. Anyways, we're having a family function and I am in charge of the mac and cheese as normal. But because it's so many people, I have to scale up the recipe, and that includes math, right? Anyways, the recipe would usually be like 4. I end up needing like 18 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. So I go into the supermarket, and usually on the cheese thing, it says 2 cups, whatever. Anyways, this one said 1 3/4 cup. People, I couldn't figure it out. So this is what I ended up buying. I buy 18 1 3/4 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And my friend on the phone laughing after me. And honest to God, it was just panic. And this is what I'm talking about when it comes to math and me. It's just, I just see the numbers and I panicked. So now, as someone that does not eat dairy, I have an excess of sharp cheddar cheese. And I tell my friend, I say, yo, you have to go bake something this week because... Anyways, I just thought I should let you guys in on this very humiliating moment in my life. Like 18 1 3/4. Is how much cheese that. All I know is that I won't be running out today.
You see why I tell you mathematics is important. All when you do not like it, you still have to find a way to coexist with it. Because why did she end up by so much sitting there cheese? All because the quarter got throw her off. Fractions. I never did love fraction. I don't love fraction. I think the only thing I can remember in a fraction now is improper fraction. Improper fraction are when the number up at the... Also? The number up at the number up... Alexa, when the number like a 54 over under 2? Or 53? Yeah. Or it's like 1 3... No, a 1 3/4. No so? Or that a mix? Oh, geez, hold on.
An improper fraction is when the numerator is a larger number than the denominator.
Yeah, numerator at the top.
Oh, see them in the right, man. Come here to this like you have like all 98 and over 3. Yeah, man. That's an improper fraction. Okay, see there. All is not lost. Woo! Big up the two when me get in a maths. Yeah, man. Me tell them I did before I appear cashpot number. My teacher used to call me like cashpot. So when my grades man call out, then when I be like, oh, 36 big O, 16 bad girl. I saw me end up and know only for the cashpot number then because that I did my grade in a maths. So, but I put on one big effort. 3 months going into CXC, I'm end up get a 2 in a maths, and that was like a 1 because yeah man, when me look on where I was coming from, bigging up Lila IK, that was a celebration in of itself and quite an achievement. So Berrydos, let me know when was the last time your lack of mathematical skills failed you. Share a story in the comments. Number 4, parental bonding. Alright, Berrydos, now let me just tell you this. There is no other type of love and parenting like a Jamaican love from your mother or your father or whichever sibling or caretaker that is in your midst. And let me just tell you this. So parents, them don't normally in no one bag of lovey-dovey, don't like a mushy, don't like a caring. You might not get them, you might not hear these words. You say, I am sorry. That was my wrong. You might never get to see that. The most you can expect, you get one little money in your hand, one little extra money, or you get one bigger plate of chicken in your plate. That is all. That is all that you will get from a Jamaican parent. But watch this. This is what you will get.
See that me and Pops out here take a stroll. Pops.
I want that to do.
I want video me I do one.
Video?
Yeah.
So me ask I'm me that then so.
Yeah.
Take off your shit off of me. Take off your off of me. What you do?
Pops.
I kind of evil sentence into
I'm not evil.
But tell us everything you see people do wanna do.
Pops after me.
Everything you see people do wanna do.
Pops after.
No, tell me about no memories. Look at me and make memories. Memories in your so. That's why I need a memory. You remember it in your so.
But Pops,
and you still have your lack of
Wow, that is definitely spot on, very much spot on. I saw them behave all the time. They don't like nothing with social media. They don't want to put them on social media because you got here say yeah, invite spirits and all kind of sing thing there and that, and then not trust it, and then at somehow you're supposed to go take up a book, and that's why you need to do better in your life. Like I just think that Jamaican parents, Caribbean parents, them need a show up off them own. Cause them all did study the same syllabus. Jaja. Number 3, catfishing viral. All right, now, so Berrydos, this video is not a Jamaican story. It's an international story. Saw it on TikTok where a young man, he went out on a date, right? He must have talked to the young lady online and he must see her images. And then he must say, okay, now, I feel comfortable if we can go out and carry out on a date. But when the brother decide to go pull up to her address, her abode, her casa, the woman who jumped in the car never looked like the images that were shared to him. Watch.
Yo, I got catfished and I didn't know what to do, so I just went along with the date. She wanted a seafood boil, but I didn't know what that was. So she said, let's just go to Golden Corral. And then after that, we went to Crumble Cookie. She said she never had it before, and she was happy. They don't have crumble in the hood, So this was her first time trying it, and she liked it. So after that, we went roller skating. I thought it would be fun because I haven't went in like a long time, and I had fun besides her taking breaks because her legs hurt. But besides that, it was cool. After that, I had to take her back to the spot, and she didn't want to leave until she got hungry again. And then I took her to McDonald's because I had already spent like $60 on her, and then it had got late, so I took her home, and she said she had a good night, y'all. But I like never been like catfished before, but I should have expected it because like she's from the hood, like.
Oh, okay. And he videoed all of this for social media, showing she in the car. And she seemed to be a lovely girl. She looked like she did enjoy herself and all of these things they ate. And then afterwards, posted the video on social media. And so many people were saying to him, say, yo, bro, why did you go ahead and do this? Not look like she catfished you. So the guy posted up the receipts and showed the pictures that were sent to him.
Y'all really don't believe I got catfished, and y'all really want to see what she looked like. This is not a joke. I'm about to show y'all who I thought I was actually about to meet up with. This is who I thought I was meeting up with. This is the picture on her profile, y'all, that she sent. So it's not adding up, y'all. This is not the same person that was on that profile. This is a completely different person. Y'all can't tell me I didn't get catfished. Like, look.
Okay, now, so let us be the judge. Was he catfished? Or this was just a girl appearing all natural? Huh? Listen, a lot of the makeup and the filtering can make you think that the eye is bright and bold and prettier than how it is in reality. It might make the nose have like a different shape. It might make the person have a different complexion. So I understand that if you expect to see a light-skinned woman and you go see somebody who, darker than me right now, then you might be like, whoa, what? There is some confusion. And so, my only thing is like, did it need to go up on social media for content? That's the only little slight. But at the end of the day, everything is content. So, burritos, let me know, have you ever been catfished like this? And what do you think about women who, use the filters to send pictures of men and then appear different in person? What's your take on that? Sound off below. Number 2, driver pull up. Me wanna ready. All right, burritos know. So this video now definitely shows you why Jamaican drivers are simply one of a kind. Wanna know when the people them want the bus for load, right? And them say one and ready, and usually it's just one more person needed. There are some drivers who take it up a notch further by actually using their lap as a seat itself. Take a look. Oh, wow. No, that is definitely wild. That is completely wild. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. And so there are many comments online, including, let me just go read some of the comments right now. Yeah, man, and I'm I'm done for say, this is not the first I've seen it. I've actually experienced this when I was about like 14-year-old. I actually did in a one taxi, and I saw this happening. And I couldn't believe the level of skill and badness that could have led a driver to do something like this. And my only question is, if you are going to drive a lap as a woman, I don't think you're supposed to pay full fare. I don't think a full fare. That's supposed to be a case where is either him know you know say in a one situation I need to go home immediately and you just get a free drive, or you at least pay half. Or less than half for that matter. Apparently, I think you're supposed to even pay $50. That seems like for sitting on somebody's lap, that's supposed to be like at least a $40. A $40 ride. Let me know if you agree in the comments, Burritos. Jesus, Pim.
Now here's this week's random video of the week.
Every time her feet hurt in these heels that she looked absolutely stunning in. But our hotel is 10 minutes away, walking. Uber is taking too long to come. And the Uber would be $30 if we were to take it for a hotel that's literally damn near around the corner. So I'm gonna give her my shoes to walk in, and I'm gonna walk barefoot back to the hotel.
You're such a great husband.
I was about to say, can you big up the husband that you have real quick, please?
This is a good idea because I didn't want to walk barefoot because that's just not what we're trying to do.
Got me walking barefoot in the Noya.
These shoes are huge.
All I ask is don't crease my shoes, yo. The things we do for our women, yo. Come on, man.
Love you.
Come on, man.
You see all this back there? You love it.
Wow. You ain't wrong when you right. You ain't wrong when you right.
Walking around, no love. Walking around, no love.
Make sure you tell him you got the best husband.
I do got the best husband. You are very sweet. I ain't gonna lie. You do look out. Be a good man, Savannah.
And number one goes to Rebel Travels. Woo, woo, wow. Yes. All right. So if you don't live under a rock, you might not know who Dancing Rebel is. Like, come on, man. Like, she's one of the baddest dancers, choreographers in Jamaica right now. She used to be one of Spice's dancers. She was a part of Team Spice. You know, her alongside Pretty Pretty and TC. And so now she's just been, you know, like establishing herself as, of course, an influencer, having several brand deals and all of these things, and while still pursuing choreography. Anyway, so she took a trip to Canada and decided to share little glimpses of some of her adventures with her fans. So one of the stops that she did was this, what do you call this? A little airplane, just watch.
Hey guys, so today's my last day in Canada and we're going to high fly, whatever it is. I'm gonna throw me up in our air, we're gonna fly somewhere. ERB.
Yeah, man, so that was Rebel in the zero gravity room, and it did she let her enjoy herself. I actually would love to try that. I didn't necessarily put this down on a little list, so next time this is the type of fun we can get up to. And the next time now she decided to do one of these roadside paintings where I watch one time, you know, one brother, when him a painting, you know, just know, so him gonna find like your worst feature and then magnify it. Like that is just like what I'm gonna do. So it looks cartoony, and I guess that's the vibe, and that's how him normally do film art, and him never do her bad like some other these artists. Cause trust me, them can get very almost like you want me to thump it down? Yeah, man, them can definitely get like that. Oh God! So let me know, burritos. Have you ever tried these activities, and are you interested to do like Rebel? Sound off below. Well, that's it, burritos. We've come to the end of yet another social media countdown. Thank you so much for watching the Dutty Berry Show. Make sure you say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. So, hop on over to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. Also, follow me on my social media platforms at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And for advertising within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next week.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, boss cover, him cover all the topics like a him name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.